Hello guys, welcome to our page. This is Lebechi and the Kids Facebook page. hmm Let's pack our hospital back together, guys. I think the baby is coming out. Our Christmas baby is ready to come out, guys. Yeah. Anyways, I'm home alone. Yes, I just dropped the kids at their school, and Papi is not around, so I'm just home alone, feeling the contraction. Anyways, I'm packing my girls' bag first because my mommy will come and pick them. Yes, then they will go to my mommy's house, then I'll go to the hospital. Please, I don't know how long I'll stay in the hospital. So I have to pack some clothes for them. Yeah. And since today, guys, I've been feeling somehow. Feeling somehow. I think the contraction is coming small, small. Let me just go to the hospital and see what they will say. If I will stay back or if I will come back. That's why I'm packing the bags. If I will stay back, my husband will come and carry the bag for me and bring to the hospital for me. But if I will come back, I'll come back. Anyway, I believe how I'm feeling this morning, I believe I'll stay back. I believe the baby will come out today because the contraction is holding me very, very well. I got that 20 vision. Little candles, hate to see me winning. 20 vision. If I see it, I achieve it, never missing. I got that. I got that. But I focus, shoot my shot in the moment. I move hard. Bring it up the P's and pounds on every single card. When I'm flying high, I got the views of an eagle eye. I got to become the legend way before I even die. It's me, myself, and I don't need no one. I go hard, move along. I go hard. I got that 20 vision. Little candles, hate to see me winning. 20 vision. If I see it, I achieve it, never missing. I got that. I got that 20 vision. If I see it, I achieve it, never missing. I got that. If I see it, I achieve it, never missing. I got that 20. I'm done packing, guys. Yes. Anyways, this one now is our hospital documents. Yes. Anytime you're going to the hospital, whether emergency, whether appointment, you have to carry your documents. Yes. So this one is my documents. I'm going with it. I will be going with it if I'm leaving the house. Yes. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys at the hospital. Bye, guys. I got that